On NSAS, the Chief of Army Staff, Buratai, says nobody died at Lekki. Those who claimed they saw corpses have eye problems. Hello everyone, welcome back to Greenfield Media. We hope you're doing well today. Thank you for following us and God bless you. Please like this post and share with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Let us know what you think about the story in the comment section also. Thank you again for following us. So the Chief of Army Staff, Tuko Buratai, one of the 5 generals that control the military and are responsible for the security of the nation, is saying that no one died at the Lekki Tollgate massacre, that it was all, film trick, if you ask me. That if you believe people died at that massacre, that you have eye problem. This is shocking to me. Even reading this is quite annoying. So let's hear the whole of the story. So the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tuko Buratai, has insisted that nobody was killed during the NSAS protest at Lekki Tollgate in Lagos State on October 20th. Buratai said those claiming protesters were killed were seen double. Hours before a curfew was scheduled to begin, soldiers had stormed the Lekki Tollgate on October 20th, where protesters had gathered and started shooting, killing an unconfirmed number of people. The incident had received widespread condemnation within and outside Nigeria. Speaking on Friday at the decoration of 39 newly promoted major generals, Buratai maintained that there was no corpses during the shooting at the tollgate. Buratai said, and I quote, "I'm glad that we held the spiritual warfare seminar on Wednesday, and most of the decorated generals today are graduates of the spiritual warfare seminar." Well, I never knew they held a spiritual warfare seminar at maybe War College for Generals. Let's hear more. So, continue quoting Buratai. "I must say that the spiritual warfare seminar we had last time helped us during the last NSAS protest to the extent that there was no single corpse. But some persons saw double at Lekki Tollgate in Lagos State. We will continue to protect every law-abiding Nigerian anywhere in the country, and we will do that in accordance with the rules of engagement and confines of the Constitution." Despite Buratai's self-righteous claims, the army has been giving self-indicting explanations before a sitting Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry investigating the Lekki incident. Yes, the people representing, or the personnel, the military personnel representing the Nigerian military at that panel of inquiry in Lagos has been, shooting the army in the foot, or really making a mess of things. Today they will say they went with only blank bullets. The next day they will say they went with blank and live bullets. So at this stage, it's really comedy whenever they come to testify. So the army had initially explained that it had used only blank ammunition at the scene of the protest. But following the CNN investigation, which exposed that they expended Serbian bullets purchased by the army, and those were found at the location, the military gave another explanation. The commander of the 81st Military Intelligence Brigade, Victoria Island, Lagos, formerly Brigadier General Ahmed Taiwo, had led the army's desperate attempt to cover up its tracks. Taiwo later explained or confirmed on November 22nd before the panel that the Phase 4 of the military internal security operation, which was deployed at the Lekki Tollgate on the 9th of October 20th, involved the use of both live and blank ammunition. He said the soldiers took live bullets to the scene for self-defense. Taiwo said the troops had operated at the tollgate on that night, and they were indeed armed with live bullets. However, he maintained that only soldiers with blank bullets fired shots into the air. So I guess Buratai is the one actually seeing double in this case. I don't know where he got his version of this story for, because with the APC government, you have several realities. Fact is what's subjective to them, and is also disgraceful to every institution that they had, every institution that they run in this country since they came into power in 2015. They've managed to destroy it from top to bottom. So now the army is totally making a mess of itself with a general, in fact, the chief of army staff, essentially making a fool of himself and saying that whoever saw dead bodies there is seeing double. God help us in this country. Let us know what you think about this story also. Let us know, do you agree with him that whoever saw dead bodies or corpses is seeing double? Or is he just making a fool of himself the way the other army representatives at the Lagos Judicial Panel have been, talking one thing and doing another, or saying several, talking about or presenting several confusing or very questionable stories. Let us know what you think in the comment section, please. Thank you for following us, and God bless you.